we're gonna cook some chicken rice. We're gonna put the chicken into the soup first to boil with water. Cover it up. And then this is a spring onion, ginger, garlic into the pot. Close it up. And then we're gonna cook some rice. We're gonna wash it first. Some water. Stir it up. Throw away the dirty water. We don't want that. And then we're gonna add salt and pepper to the chicken broth with sesame oil right there. Mix those all up. And then we're gonna add the soup, the chicken broth, to the cooked rice that we just washed. And then gonna cook it for a couple minutes. And then we're gonna make a sauce. That was sambal, I believe. Lemon, salt, another white powder. Then mince those. Add some water for liquidation. And you gotta take out the chicken. I'm gonna leave one there. Remember, we put 2. And then, ooh, a chicken shot. And then we're gonna plate some rice, some chicken, the veggie, and then the sauce that we just made, and of course the soup. Here's your chicken rice. Taste test. Chicken on the rice, sauce on the chicken, and in. Here we go. More rice. Some soup. More soup. Thumbs up. Bite. And that's it.